So I have explained you what is unpacking. So next I'll show you like if you have if you want only one element in a tuple. If you want only one element in a tuple, how to create a tuple we know. How to create a tuple? In parenthesis, I'm just saying it as 10. Okay, I'll show you with the string. I'll say it is Python. Okay, so A equal to Python. And since it is in the parenthesis, the meaning is it should be a tuple. Let us see what will happen now. So A, you're getting Python, but are you getting parenthesis? Are you getting parenthesis for A? Actually, tuple means we have to get the parenthesis, right? The output, but we're not getting the parenthesis. I will check the data type. What will be the data type now? What is the data type you are getting? Is it a tuple you're getting the data type as? What is the data type we got? Is it visible? String we are getting. What actually, what you have given, A equal to Python. If you want, I'll just show you. We will see for integer value and let us check it. And I'll say A and I'll check the data type. So we are getting it as an integer. But according to the tuple values should be in the parenthesis, right? We have given in the parenthesis only, but we are not getting it as a tuple. If you want to create only a single element, and that too when you are giving in a parenthesis, we are not getting the data type as a tuple. Then how to do? So how to do here is, we should give, like I'll just show you, A equal to, I have created Python. I want only one element. I want only one element, but I want it to be a tuple. I don't want it to be a string. Then what to do here is I should give a comma. I should give a comma. If I give a comma, then only it will be treated as a tuple. So I'll just close it. And I'll say A. And if you see the data type of A, now it will be a tuple. Now you see, it is a tuple. Is that clear? If you want to create a single element in a tuple, it should be in a parenthesis. Okay, if it is not parenthesis also okay, but it should be in the parenthesis and we should give a comma. If you're not giving a comma, what is happening is it will be taken as a string or an integer based on the value what you are giving. So to take it as a tuple, what we have to do? We have to give a comma here. Is that clear? I'll just show you once again. A equal to 10 comma. I should give 10 comma and I will close the parenthesis. Then I'll say A. Now you got the output in the parenthesis and you check the data type now. You will be getting it as a tuple. So if you want to create only single element in a tuple, after element, like after 10, I have given a comma. That is the thing what we have to do. Any doubt here? So that is the thing what here I have explained. We should give a comma. If you're not giving a comma, but hello you have mentioned in the parenthesis only, but it will be taken as a string. But if you give a comma after hello, it will be considered as a tuple. Now next we will see how to access the elements from the tuple. How to access the elements from a tuple. This already we know. How to access? Index, right? So indexing, how many types of indexing we have? 2 types of indexing, positive and negative indexing. If you are giving positive indexing forward, if you are giving a negative, it will from reverse. Yeah, all these things we have studied in the list and the dictionaries string concepts we have seen. And always the index value should be, okay, the index will be starting from 0, fine. And if it is from the last, the index value will be starting from -1. If it is from the starting, from the left hand side, it will be starting from 0. If it is from the right hand side, it will be starting from -1. Okay. And how many, what should be the index always? Can we give a float? Can we give a float? It should be only integer. It should be only integer. What error you will get? If you're not giving an integer, what error you will get? Index error? No. Type error? Yes. Okay, let us see now. Okay, we will discuss all the things now. So I'm taking the tuple now. A equal to 10, 5.5. I'll take Python. And I'll take one more list here. 5, 6 something I have taken, and I'll just close this. Okay. And the index will be starting from 0. Okay, we will just see A of 0. What is our A of 0 value will be? 10. And if I say A of 1.5, A of 1.5, what error we will be getting? This already we discussed. Yes, type error. Yes, we got type error. Type error. It must be integers. Okay, now I will find out the length of A. Length of A I'll find out. What will be the length of A? 4. Perfect. So we got the length of A as 4. Now what I'll do here is I'll say A of 6. A of 6. What error we will get? Index error. Means out of range. Yes, perfect. It is out of range. We have only from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is the out of range. Index error. Okay. Now, if I say A of -1, from right side, it will be starting from -1. So what is A of -1? We will, so A of -1, we will be getting is 5, 6. Now, from forward, okay, or from backward, I want the value of 5. From backward, I want the value of 5. A of -1 of, someone gave me the answer. Shravani, she gave the answer. -2. -2 I'm getting from backward. And 0 I got. 2 answers. Both. I'll check it now. Okay, we'll see what happens now. So A of -1, -2. It is 5. So 5 only I have asked you, right? So how? This 5, 6 is -1. -1. So this -1 first index is correct. Now, in this I want 5 I said. So what happens? This 6 will become -1 and 5 will become -2. So -2. Okay, if it is from the forward, if it is from the forward, if I want the value of 6, then from forward, that is from the left, if I want the value of 6, A of 4, 1. Okay, we will see. A of, is it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. A of 4, 1. 4, 1 or 3, 1? 0, 1, 2, 3. It's not 4, it should be 3. 3. Because 5, 6 index is 3. So 6. So how to access the elements? Already you know. Now by using the for loop, we can access all the elements. So this is the dictionary. So this is the tuple what we have. I'll just take the tuple once again. Now I want to access all the elements. How? By using for loop, you know, right? How to do? For I in A colon print I. Okay, this is the way how we access all the elements. So all these things, since you know, we have studied in the previous list dictionary, so the tuple is easy for you. So this is the way how we access the elements. So indexing, already I have explained you. If it index error, I have explained, we have seen. Tuple type error also we have seen. And negative index also we have completed. So next we have is a slicing.